Hello, this is Tara. I've been experimenting with this steel roof on a barn. The bottom rung, especially on the south side, is very weathered steel, but as you can see, I'm standing on it. It's firm. It's just that it's quite rusty now, and a lot of the nails, it was put on with nails back in about 77, and a lot of the nails are popping. I'm replacing all the nails in the big where the two pieces come together, and then probably about half in between on the plain channels where the roof pieces are not coming together. In Baltimore, when I rehabbed houses, at first my partner and I thought we needed to redo all the roofs, but then we saw the rehabbers just putting this silver fibered roof coating on, and I thought, well, maybe that'll work on this roof. So I did an experiment. It looks patchy from the road, but I did an experiment to see how it would work a couple years ago, and it works pretty good. So I've been replacing screws because now, like where the roof is worn, you know, they pop. The nails have popped, which they do that in drywall too, in the old drywall. You know, they pop up, and then I'm putting a screw that's a little bit bigger than the circumference of the nail. And in most cases it grabs good. Every once in a while I have to move over, you know, 1/4 of an inch and put a screw somewhere else, but overall they're holding really well. So I'm putting your roof screw with the rubber gasket to take the place of the nails. And then when that's done, right over the top of these screws, I'm putting the silver roof coat. I call it silver coat, but I think it's called silver roof coat. It's a fibered silver aluminum fibered roof coat. I just bought it at Home Central, which is a local place, for about $91 for 5 gallons. And I used to do these sections here, I used about 2 gallons. So I think it's a really good alternative to replacing the whole roof. And if you replace the whole roof, you know, it would be this wham bam in one weekend, or maybe 1 week. And this way I can do this in sections. So we're going to replace, we're going to replace these clear panels, which are just worn and old. We're going to replace them all with clear panels, but they have to be bent out. Gotten it probably like Essex Roofing in Cortland, because it's a certain ribbing, of course. So we're going to replace all the clear panels because we get a lot of light through those. But this silver coating's going to probably save this roof for another 10 years. And, you know, it saves all the steel from the recycle piles. That's a lot of energy to recycle steel. And this should definitely give a good 10 years on this roof when we're done. We might put another coat of silver coat on. This is just one coat, but you know, you can see it fills in a lot of gaps, and it's even filling around those screws, which, you know, next time obviously the roof will be replaced. So it's okay to cover those screw heads up right now, because next time the whole roof will be torn off and redone at some point. So yeah, the silver coating's a little bit like silver tar, but it's lighter weight. But you can see how it does fill in cracks and gaps a little bit. So it works pretty good as kind of a filler as well. And you know, I did this, and I'm gonna say I spent a couple hours maybe pulling screws, and I did reuse some of the nails, like I said, probably 50% of the nails that aren't in joining seams. The joining seams, pretty much all of those got replaced. And then just the ribbings in between, probably 50% replaced the screws. And you know, if you come up here later on, you can walk on the silver stuff, and if a nail pops or something, so what? We take it out, put a screw in, and paint it over with silver coat. It's that simple. So I put a couple coats on up here just to see how 2 coats would be, and it, you know, you can't tell the difference, I'm sure, in this video, but you know, it just would be a little more of this fibered material. Whoa, little tacky still. But it would definitely, you know, give you a little more coverage. Yet I'm not sure if that'll be necessary really to put 2 coats on. We'll determine that as we go. But yeah, so that's working quite well. If you want to save call it a tin roof, a steel roof. This used to be white actually. Believe it or not, I'm pretty sure our roof on this barn was white in the past. But with time and rust and all that good stuff, and especially the sunny side, this is the south side of the roof, so it's worn way worse than the north side. But my goal would be to do these bottom panels first, because that's where we're seeing, you know, it being really rusty. Yet still, I'm walking on it, so it can't be too bad. But now you can hear up here where we haven't put it down, so you're getting a lot of bounce in the roof. But this was a different batch of steel also, so you get a bit less water on it, so not quite as bad up here. We replaced some of the clear panels with steel already because they just, with time, they're really ready to disintegrate. On the north side, as you would expect, not as much UV light, not as bad, not so critical to run over here and do this immediately, probably in time. So my goal, honestly, because I come up here sometimes and I'm not here all the time, my goal is to finish, if I finish just the bottom where it's really bad, you know, it's one run of steel, it I guess is just a little bit more prone to rust. If I finish this bottom run where we have a lot of the dark rusty steel, I'd be happy by the end of the summer with my schedule. And then move up to this next panel and then do the top panel. But as we go, we're going to replace all of these clear panels so we have nice light going in. And you know, they lasted a long time. We can't complain. These nails even lasted a long time, and the screws, you know, are obviously better than the nails at holding. So pretty happy with this. You might ask, if you had to pay labor to do what I'm doing here, would it be cheaper than replacing the whole roof? And I don't know the answer to that, but it's a question I ask. Would it be cheaper to pay, if you had to pay for it to be done? It might be cheaper to have someone come in and redo the whole roof with new steel instead of paying the labor to redo the screws and put the paint on. And certainly I'm going to look to hire, now that I know the process of what I want to do and how I want it done, to hire someone to work on this with me, because yeah, I can make a lot more money doing what I do, but this is the kind of projecting I love and solving issues. So this has been a fun little run. We've had some pieces tear off. Some of these clear windows have lifted up and torn, and that's what drew my attention to how rusty this roof was. And in due time, my guess is we'll have this done, and I would believe this will easily last with those new clear panels in here to get light in the barn. At least another 10 years with good care. So that's what I did, and I'm going to go down by the road now and see how this little section looks from the road. We won't see any of these gradations. I mean, you see gradations here in color and texture a little bit. That might go away as everything dries perfectly, but from the road you shouldn't see anything but white pretty much. So I'm going to go down and do that now, but this is an alternative for replacing an entire steel roof. Thanks a lot. This is Tara, and have a great day.